back to my channel. If you are new here, you should totally subscribe because my goal is 100 subscribers and then I will do shout outs. So yeah, I got an Amazon package. I already filmed this video with my friend. It just got deleted. Really quick, I just wanted to show you I redecoed this, or I decoed the squishy. It was from my friend. Yeah, she brought it to school and you could still kind of see the paint. It got completely trashed. So I drew Sharpie over it to see if that would help. It didn't help, but I just used some Elmer's glitter glue and it's amazing now. So since I did already open the package, I'm not going to show you my genuine reaction, but I still will show you my reaction, kind of ish. That makes sense. I'm going to say how I actually feel about it. So yeah, without further ado, let's go on with the video. So the first thing I have is this Kibu Colossal Bread, the English Colossal Bread. It was $11. Also, my total was $31.76, and the shipping was completely free. It's super slow rising. The only thing, I love this packaging. It's so cute. I love how they have teal. They even put English bread and everything. The only thing I don't like is that, well, the packaging is not resealable. So I did have to cut it, or my friend cut it. Not the squishy, the packaging. But I love this. It's so awesome. It's so big, like it's bigger than my head. I love this. It's one of my new faves. It's my biggest squishy now. It's actually like the size of my forearm, so that's great. So squishy. So squishy. I love this. I am obsessed. I could squish this all day. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I just want to keep squishing it. It's so awesome. And it is very glorified. This is like the normal amount, but put it back here, maybe. Yep, there. It's so glorified. The next squishies I will show you are from this brand, Inflatables. I will say the packaging is resealable, but it's really not sticky. It says free unicorn sticker gifts inside. I'm assuming, you can kind of see the sticker. I got 2 stickers, so yeah, I guess it was one for each one. I got the replica Million Billy double pack, so they both came in here. The replicas for $12.76. So yeah, I think it's really cute, and this packaging is super cute, super colorful, and the back just says what not to do, what you can do, and they have that label there. So yeah, it's really cute. So yeah, in the back
just says, hi, thank you for bringing home someone from our unicorn family. Everybody can't wait to be hugged and squeezed by you, but first let me show you the best ways to take care
of us. And it says that. So since I got 2 squishies and they're part of the unicorn family, I'm assuming they just mean that because they have unicorn horns. But here's the first sticker. It's just this pink unicorn. I only use this, and then we have this white one, or cream one. So yeah. This is the first one, Millie. You can tell the paint job's not very good. You might be able to see it's a little off. And I feel like they reused the foam because it's I don't know. It also looks darker on camera. I don't know why. But here it is. It's really slow rising. And these are the actual colors for Millie. I just didn't feel like buying the mini one for $7 like they had, because it didn't look like the mini one, but I just didn't want to take my chances. Because I've seen people get mini, like, iBloom squishies for $7, and I just don't feel like doing that because I feel like you could get replica that, yeah. Here is Billy. You can tell these aren't the actual colors since this is the same color purple of Horn, but I think this one is more moisturizing than Millie. And they smell like smushy mushy. Yeah, they smell like smushy mushy. So yeah, Billy is just a tad bit more moisturizing. But I love these, they're so cute. Was this quick thing. I hate when they put barcodes on squishy, like, but I got this Swiss roll. You can't see the face, obviously, but also the packaging's really cute. They have like a dog and cat and a bunny. But yeah, this is now my most moisturizing squishy. I love this, and it smells so good. I could have gotten pink, green, or yellow. This packaging's so great. I just don't know why it's so jumbo. Like, here's the squishy. Here's the packaging. Like, is that really necessary? Is it? But yeah, it's a really nice packaging. It's really, like, durable, I feel like. So yeah, it also did come in this bag. So awesome. It's now my most moisturizing squishy. I love it. It's so rising. Here it is. I don't know what it smells like. If you know what Num Noms are, it smells like one of them. So yeah, this is also my first cake roll squishy. I'm so happy. Like, it's awesome. And I got this for $8. And all the shipping was free. I love this. My new fave. I'm obsessed. So, so cute. Love this. Also, this package, I ordered it Sunday, June 17th, and it got here Wednesday, June 20th. And I've never used Prime shipping on Amazon, but I totally recommend it. Also, this was like flat. It was like this flat. Like that much. Let's time lapse and see how long this takes to rise, because I bet it's a while. It does take a really long time, so. Yes. And it's like the perfect size, I feel like. So yeah, that is all I ordered from Amazon. I am ordering this turtle squishy, but I am leaving for a week of camp. I think I said that in my last video. I don't know. But yeah, here's just a recap. Kibu Colossal English Bread. Replica Millie. Replica Billy. And this Villikuma, maybe Villikuma, I don't know. Swiss roll in the color pink. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you have an awesome day. Please subscribe, because my goal is 100, and then I will do shout outs. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.